Hi, I am Preeti. In this video, I am going to talk about exercise 8.2 from trigonometry. So, before start the question, you have to remember some formula like sine 30. What is the value of sine 30? What is the value of cos 60 degree? So that you have to remember. So for that, just I am going to explain so that it will be easy for you to remember the formula. So remember the theta also. So first one is 0 degree, then 30 degree, then 45 degree, then 60 degree, and then 90 degree. So you have to remember these 5 degrees of each quadratic ratio, like sine theta, if this is theta, cos theta, tan theta. Now next, sine opposite of sine is cosec theta, sec theta, and the last one is cot theta. So you have to remember this table to solve this exercise 8.2, and it is very easy. Just see once. Okay, so you have to remember at least one value. So sine of 0 degree is 0. Sine of 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sine of 45 degree is 1 by root 2. And sine of 60 degree is root 3 by 2. And sine of 90 degree is 1. So you just have to remember this 5 formula. Sine 0 degree 0. Sine 30 degree 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree root 3 by 2. And sine 90 degree equals to 1. And you can see it is increasing. The theta, if the theta will increase, the sine theta value will also be increase. Okay, 0 to 1 here also you can see. Now, cos theta. For cos theta, you can use this from back side of sine theta. Like cos 0 degree equals to this, means 1. Cos 30 degree means second one from back side. Okay, so root 3 by 2. Then cos 45 degree is third one, means the same, 1 by root 2. Means sine 45 is also 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. Next, cos 60 is what? Next one, 1 by 2. And cos 90 is what? Next, the first one of sine theta, means 0. So if you remember sine theta, you can easily calculate cos theta. But if you remember cos theta also, it will be easy for you to solve that exercise. But if you not able to remember, so you just remember one line. So you can solve all other exercise, all questions of exercise 8.2. Okay, now tan theta. There is one formula, tan theta equals to sine theta by cos theta. Just remember this formula. Okay, so that you can calculate this. So tan theta equals to sine theta by cos theta. Now tan theta, tan 0 degree equals to sine 0 degree by cos 0 degree, means 0 by 1. So 0 by 1 is what? 0. Correct? 0 by anything is called 0. So tan 0 degree equals to 0. Now tan 30 degree equals to sine 30 degree, means 1 by 2 by cos 30 degree, means root 3 by 2. Correct? This 2 cancel, means 1 by root 3. Right? So tan 30 degree equals to 1 by root 3. Okay? Now tan 45 degree equals to 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. So it's same. So that means 1. See, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Correct? All cancel, root 2 cancel, 1 by 1. So 1. Correct? So this is tan 45 degree equals to 1. Next, tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree means sine 60 degree root 3 by 2 and cos 60 degree means 1 by 2. This 2 cancel means root 3 by 1. That means 1. Sorry, root 3 by 1, that means root 3. Now, the tan 90 degree. Tan 90 degree means sin 90 degree by cos 90 degree. What is the value of this? This is not defined. Okay, so 1 by 0 is not defined. So here, if 0 is here, in numerator 0 is this. So 0 by something is called 0. But something by 0 is not defined. That you have to remember, okay? So this is not defined. And what is the value? I'm just writing in brackets, so I will use 1 by 0. Okay? Now cosec theta. What is cosec theta? Cosec theta is opposite of sin theta. Correct? Opposite means, I already explained, 1 by sin theta equals to cosec theta. Right? So 1 by sin theta. So 1 by 0 again. So this is also not defined. Right? Now cosec 30 degree. So cosec 30 degree equals to 1 by sin 30 degree. So 1 by 2. Correct? So this 2 will go up. Means cosec 30 degree equals to 2. Okay? Now cosec 45 degree. So cosec 45 degree equals to what? 1 by root 2. So root 2 will go up. Means cosec 45 degree equals to root 2. Okay? Now cosec 60 degree. Cosec 60 degree means what? 1 by sin 60 means root 3 by 2. So this 2 again go up. So the value of this is 2 by root 3. Okay? Now cosec 90 degree. So cosec 90 degree equal to what? 1 by sin 90 means 1. 1 by 1 is what? 1. Easy, right? Now sec theta. Sec theta is what? Sec theta is opposite of cos theta. So 1 by 1 means 1 again. Here also 1 by root 3 by 2 means what? Now only I told 1 by root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3. And sec 45 degree equals to what? 1 by cos 45 degree means 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 is means root 2. This root 2 will go up means root 2. Okay? Now sec 60 degree equals to 1 by cos 60 degree means 1 by 2 means this 2 will go up. So this is 2. Okay? Now this sec 90 degree. Sec 90 degree equal to 1 by cos 90 degree means 1 by cos 90 is 0. So 1 by 0 is what? Not defined. So this is also not defined. Okay? Now the last line. Last line is cot theta. Cot theta is what? Opposite of tan theta. So 1 by tan 0. Correct? So 1 by 0 is not defined. So cot 0 is also not defined. Now cot 30 degree equal to what? 1 by tan 30. So 1 by root 3 means root 3 will go up. So it will become root 3. Okay? Now cot 45 degree equals to what? 1 by tan 45. So 1 by 1 is 1. Cot 60 degree equals to what? 1 by tan 60. So 1 by tan 60 is root 3. Okay? Now the last one, cot 90 degree. Cot 90 degree equals to what? 1 by tan 90 degree. So 1 by tan 90. Tan 90 is what? 1 by 0. Correct? Means this 0 will go up. So it will become 0 by 1. 0 by 1 means what? 0. 0 by something is called 0. But something by 0 is called undefined. Okay? So these all are formula that you have to remember. If you will remember this, then only it's easy for you to solve exercise 8.2. Okay? Now, let's solve one by one. I will show you one by one. This is first of first. Okay? sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sine 30 into cos 60. Okay, so if you will remember all the formula, so you this is just a calculation. So sine 60 equals to what? Sine 60 equal to root 3 by 2. Just now I explained, correct? Now cos 30 equals to what? Opposite of cos, means from opposite side of sine 30. So cos 30 equals to root 3 by 2. Sorry, root 3 by 2. Okay, now sine 30 equals to 1 by 2 into cos 60 equals to 1 by 2. Easy. If you will remember that all the formula, so you just put and then solve it. It's easy. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into 1 1 by 2 into 2 4. So 3 plus 1 means 4 by 4. This cancel means the value of this is 1. So 1 is the answer. Okay, easy, right? Now the second one. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sine square 60 degree. Okay, now 2 into, what is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1, so 1 square plus cos 30. Cos 30 just now we wrote here. Also you have to remember, okay? So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. This whole square minus sine 60 whole square. So what is sine 60? Again root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, so we can see here this is plus root 3 by 2 whole square and this is minus root 3 by 2 whole square. So you can cancel here also. No need to calculate and then cancel. Okay, so 2 into 1 equals to what? 2. You can also write 2 into 1 square means 2 into 1 square equals to what? 2 into 1, that means 2. Correct? This is also done. Now the third question. What is question number 3? Cos 45 by sec 30 plus cosec 30. Okay, now what is cos 45? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 by sec 45. Sec 45 is root 2 and plus cosec 30. Cosec 30 is what? 2. Correct? You have to remember the formula. And yeah, so this just calculate. Okay, so this is root under 2 and in the bracket root 2 plus 2. Okay, now in the denominator we should not put root under. Okay, so for that we have to calculate. Okay, let me explain that. Yeah, this is sec 30. Sec 30 is not root 2. See here, sec 30 is 2 by root 3. Okay, so this is not root 2, this is 2 by root 3. Okay, so this is 2 by root 3. Now calculate this. 1 by root 2, I am just writing it again, and 2 by root 3 plus 2. Okay, now calculate it. This 1 by root 2 by, this is 2 by root 3, so root 3 take LCM, and this is 2 and plus this is 2 into root 3, right? Now again 1 by root 2 by, this is 2, let's take 2 common, so 2, this is 1 plus root 3 and this is by root 3. Okay, now this down will go up and middle in the middle. Okay, so 1 into root 3 by 2 root 2 into 1 plus root 3. Okay, this. Now again the same thing what I told, in the denominator that root should not be there. So we have to solve this. So how we can solve? So you can solve by using, I will tell you, 1 into root 3 is root 3 by 2 root 2, and this is 1 plus root 3 into, we have to multiply something, but multiply what? That opposite sign of this means for root 3 and then minus 1. Here also root 3 minus 1. This is called rationalize. So we have to rationalize this so that in the denominator that root will not be there. Okay, but why I am using here root under 3 minus 1? Why not 1 minus root 3? Because the formula is, here I am going to write a square minus b square equals to a plus b and a minus b. Okay, this is the formula. Here see a plus b and this is a minus b. So for that I have to write a square minus b square, means root 3 square minus 1 square. If I will write 1 minus root 3, okay, this. So what will be the formula? 1 square minus root 3 square. Correct? So 1 minus 3 means negative. So again we have to calculate taking 1 minus and from nominator and then solve it. So better to take root 3 minus 1. Bigger should be here and smaller should be here. Okay, now 3 into root 3 minus 1 is 3 into root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus root 3 into minus 1 is minus root 3 by 2 root 2. Okay, now this is a square minus b square, means root 3 square minus 1 square. Okay, now 3 minus root 3 by 2 root 2 into 3 minus 1. Root 3 square means what? 3. So 3 minus 1. Now this is 3 minus root 3 by 2 root 2 into 2. Correct? Now again see root 2 is also still there. Correct? So we have to again use same rule, root 2 by root 2. Okay? Now again simplify. 3 into root 2, 3 root 2 minus root 3 into root 2 by 2 into 2, 4 into root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay, now this 3 root 2 minus root 3 into root 2 is root under 6 and by 4 2s are 8. So now this is the answer. Okay, now the fourth one. What is the fourth? Sine 30 degree plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Okay, so first you have to put all the formula and then simplify this. Okay, so sine 60 degree equals to what? 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degree is what? 1 minus cosec 60 degree. Cosec 60 degrees means what? 1 by sine 60 degree means 2 by root 3. Okay, by sec 30 degree means 1 by cos 30 degree means 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 degree is what? Cos 60 degree means 1 by 2 plus cot 45 degrees 1 by tan 45 means 1. Okay, now calculate this. Take LCM 2 root 3. Okay, so 2 is here, root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus this is 2 into 2. Correct? Now, this here also LCM will be 2 root 3. This is 2 into 2 plus root 3 and this is plus 2 root 3. Correct? So this will cancel. Correct? 2 root 3 here also, 2 root 3 here also. So it will cancel. If you are not able to understand how we can cancel this or this, so the down one will go up and the middle in the middle. Okay, so after next step also you can cancel. Okay, but I know, so I am just cancelling it. Okay, now root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. 2 2s are 4. By here also 2 2s are 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay, now root 3 plus 2 root 3 is what? 3 root 3 minus 4 by here also 4 plus 2 plus 1, 3 root 3. Okay, now again we have to use same logic to resolve this, because in this down also you can see there is root. Okay, so we have to calculate. So how we will calculate? 3 root 3 minus 4, opposite sign of this denominator. Okay, by 3 root 3 minus 4. Correct? Why I am taking this root 3 minus 4 first? Why not 4 minus root 3? I already explained you. First, a square means 3 root 3 whole square means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 minus 16. So it will become positive in the denominator. Okay, that is why I am taking 3 root 3 minus 4. Okay, now this is what? 3 root 3 minus 4 here also, here also. So 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square by this is a plus b into a minus b, means a square minus b square, means this minus 4 square. Okay, and this is the formula of a minus b whole square. So means 3 root 3 whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 into 3 root 3 into 4, 2ab, right? By this is 3 3s are 9 into 3, because root 3 square is 3 minus 4 4s are 16. Okay, now 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 plus 4 4s are 16 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 root 3 by 27 minus 16. Correct? So now 27 plus 16 is 3 and 4. Correct? So 43 minus 24 root 3 by this also 1 and 1. So this is in the denominator it's there is no root 3, so this is the answer. If again root 3 will come, so again we have to apply the same logic. Okay, so now this is the answer of this question number 4, 1 of 4. Okay, now the fifth one. Sorry, this fifth one. Fifth is 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Okay, so we will apply same. First we will put the formula and then solve it. Okay, now 5 into cos square 60, so cos 60 is 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into sec square 30, so sec 30 is what? 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan square 45, so tan 45 is 1, so 1 square by sin square 30, sin 30 is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, let's simplify this. 5 by 2 square is 4 plus 4 into 2 2s are 4 by root 3 square is 3 minus 1 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Correct? Now this 5 by 4 plus 4 4 is 16 by 3 minus 1 by this is 4 by 4 means cancel. So here 1. Okay. Now we can take LCM here. 4 3 is 12. Now 5 into 3 plus 16 into 4 minus 12, right? And this is down 1, so this will go here. So 12 into 1 is 12. Okay. Now 5 3s are 15 plus 16 4s are 64 minus 12 by 12. Okay. Let's simplify this. 5 4s are 5 4 9 7 minus 12 by 12 means this 7 6 by 12. Okay. So this is the answer, 67 by 12. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please write your comment in the comment section. Also, please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.